behalf of the team at Magic Broom, I just want to say thank you to the community for supporting us for 40 years. My dad started this 40 years ago, working out of the house. Now we have a big showroom, we have the big warehouse, we have professional employees, top-of-the-line inspection methods and cleaning methods, and we continue to grow as a company every year and get better each and every year. We try to be the standard for which all other chimney companies are judged by. Our guys are going to come in, they're going to have uniforms, you're going to know who they are, the trucks are going to be big and bright, you're going to know who we are before we even get to your house. We've continually served Southern Maryland for 40 years, and we know you have many choices out there, and hope you continue to use us, and we hope to be a continual staple in our community.